some of you may or may not know, I've started to put my stuff together and realized that the NEMA 2000 cable, don't worry about the pan optics, but that cable is not here, so that means this and that one up there cannot be linked together. Great. So, I had to find an Enigma 2000 cable. I figured out how to link these together. But here's the Garmin Echo map. I will have that up and running here very soon, my friends. I got the mount done. So I'm gonna have to find some bolts and nuts before I can put both or all four things together. So anyway, yeah. So that's pretty much it. I'm at a standstill again. It never fails. Never, ever fails. So tomorrow I will go and after work I'll go pick up some more cables or some bolts and nuts and screw them together. But, you know, it is what it is. Things happen. At least, I'm hoping to get these all there. Here's the transducer that's going to happen. It's going to be attached. So, here's the transducer. It's going to be attached on that side. On the left side or the port side of the thing. And of course I have some for the front too, so I'll put the front together momentarily after I get those connections. But I did I'll make some connections here. I got one that's already routed. This is for my Hummingbird, my Helix 7. And then I'll have my Garmin on the left side or the port side. That's all I got. on, everybody? Well, as you can see behind me, got the trolling motor on. I got the straight up mounts mounted up there. I also have the Garmin live scope sitting there waiting for me. I mounted the box that's up underneath here. Inside this, here's my wires that I have for that. And then right here, I have the other Garmin. And this is mounted for the back there as well as a hummingbird. And then I have the straight up mounts, straight, and a holder there. I got a new gas gauge. I put the cylinder in. I did a lot, dude. I did a lot. I got new wires in here. I got my battery box all sorted out. Got my precision onboard charger. Got everything all sorted out with my wires and everything. So I'm stoked about that. Just in time for one tournament. I get to get it out on the water tomorrow. See how she runs. I got a couple other things I gotta do. Get that stuff taken care of. But I'll do a lot more once we get everything all settled, get it all cleaned up. I'll do a full cover, front to tail, or bow to stern, stern to bow, review of what I actually did. But that's all I have for today, and that's all I have for this video. Thank you for clicking on the video. Thank you for swinging by. As always, God bless. Have a nice. We are out of here.